Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to create doggy, this simple dog I'm going to create in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This is very easy model to create. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.